Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to efficiently run webinars using Zoho Project, your full 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to create a new project in Zoho specifically for your webinar. This helps us because it allows us to keep all our planning and execution details in one place. Navigate to the project board and click on the New Project button. Give it a descriptive name related to your webinar for easy reference. Now that we've done that, next is setting up tasks and milestones. The reason we do this is to break down the entire process of running the webinar into manageable chunks. Create tasks for everything from webinar content planning, rehearsal, to the actual hosting. Don't forget to assign deadlines to keep everything on track. Next up, we're adding team members to the project. This is where you invite everyone who has a part to play in the webinar. Click on Add Users and input their email addresses. This step is important because it ensures everyone has access to the project and can see what they need to do. All right, moving on to the fourth step. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. We're integrating Zoho Project with Zoho Meeting, Zoho's webinar platform. Head over to the Integrations tab and click on Zoho Meeting. Once integrated, you can schedule and manage your webinars directly from your project space. This benefits us because it streamlines the process, saving us time and reducing the chance of errors. Lastly, let's talk about tracking and analyzing your webinar. Zoho provides you with built-in reports. You can monitor the progress of your tasks, see if there are any bottlenecks, and after the webinar, analyze attendee data. Let me explain why this matters. Insights from these reports can be used to improve your future webinars. And that's it, folks. This was your brief guide on how to efficiently run webinars using Zoho Project. Following these steps will keep you organized, keep your team on the same page, and ensure your webinar runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay efficient.